Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file business returns. First, identify your business structure, whether it's a sole proprietorship, partnership, or corporation, as this dictates the forms you'll use. Next, collect all financial records, including income statements, expense receipts, and payroll information. Finally, mark your calendar with important filing deadlines to prevent any late penalties. Once you know your business type, select the appropriate forms. Corporations typically use Form 1120, while partnerships file Form 1065. Sole proprietors will report their business income and expenses on Schedule C, which is part of their personal tax return. Ensure all income sources and eligible deductions are accurately entered to reflect your true financial picture. After completing your forms, calculate your total tax liability. If your business anticipates owing $1,000 or more in taxes, you'll likely need to make quarterly estimated tax payments throughout the year. This helps avoid penalties for underpayment. For complex scenarios or to maximize deductions, consulting a tax professional can be a wise investment. Before submitting, meticulously review every section of your return for any errors or omissions. Double-check all numbers and personal information. You can then file your business tax return electronically for faster processing or send it via mail. Remember to keep copies of everything for your records. Also, for great deals on meal prep containers and more, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.